90% of my subscribers have killed the market with this 5-minute indicator that provides you with the excellent and crazy results. And this is the tested by my subscribers, by me. You can contact on Telegram. You can check the feedbacks of the students who are using this indicator, because this indicator has provided us with the exceptional results. So if you are just using this indicator, then you do not have to use any other indicator that is available on TradingView, because this indicator is itself very powerful. And I'm going to tell you that how this indicator works, and this is basically a private indicator and it will be shared privately with you. And if you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, the link of the Telegram channel is given in the description of this video below, and you can also send your emails on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. Okay, so first of all, you can see we have the bank selling order, and if you look at here, the main essence of this indicator is the dotted red line and the dotted green line, because they are going to give you a very good idea about the market, that where the market really wants to go. So for example, for instance, here we have two situations. At this point, this is not a support and resistance level dotted lines, because many of the subscribers ask that, is this a support and level? No, this is not a support and levels indicator. Okay, so we have two chances at that spot, that from the dotted green line, the market, if the candle breaks below the dotted green line and this dotted green and red line does not repaint, I'm going to clear you with everything. Okay, so if any candle breaks below the dotted green line, it means that this is the selling opportunity for you. Okay, but let's say if the dotted green line, if the market starts to reverse from the dotted green line, like it happened at the moment here, you can see simply upward boost, then it means that this is the buy position for you. Okay, another buy position that I want to highlight is the dotted red line. So mostly when I trade the dotted red lines, I trade in this way. If the candle breaks above the dotted red line, it means that it's a buy for us. Like you can see, it was a sweet, beautiful upward trade. And you know that many of the subscribers use the support and resistance indicator. They will be looking to sell, but what we have done, we have instead entered into the buy position. So this is how this indicator keeps you very smart. Now it's not working only in forex. If you are a bank nifty trader, if you are a forex trader, if you are a crypto trader, it works on everything, even on gold as well. So for example, let's go to gold so that I can show you that how the things are working here. Okay, the indicator is little bit heavy, not very much, little bit heavy. Okay, so okay, now you can see when the market starts to break the dotted green lines, you can see it was down. And right now, why only we get only one candle on the after the break of the dotted green line? Because we have the bank buying order, and you can see the market is pushing up. And at the top we have the bank selling order, plus we have two red lines, dotted red lines, which never repaint, and that was the very critical point that market can go down. And that's what actually happened into the market on gold 5 minute. Okay, one more thing, you can use this indicator from 1 minute to any time frame. This is, again I repeat, this is not only a 5-minute indicator. I can show you the results on all time frames. Okay, so let's say if we go to another chart, let's see a more strength of this indicator. Okay, look at this one. So the levels where you have the bank buying order plus the dotted green line, they are very strong. Okay, and your few trades will go into stop loss. For example, this is your stop loss case. The candle closes above the dotted red line, but the market get reversed. This is your stop loss. Okay, but why it is happening? Because if you look at here, that we have the bank selling level. So at the selling levels, anything can happen. But overall, when we talk about the accuracy of this indicator, that is above 90%, because this is how this indicator works and provides you with the best accuracy. Okay, now I can show you on the other pairs, like you can see the drop. Okay, AUD JPY, let's have a look here. Okay, at the bank buying level, we have the one bullish candle. So this is a definite buy for us. Let's go to AUD USD. Okay, so AUD USD breaks below the dotted green line. You can see the weakness here. It breaks below the dotted green line. Weakness. Everything is weaker here on the AUD charts. Okay, so okay, now look at this trade. Okay, so the market comes down. That was the bank buying order. You can see simply the market simply went into the upward direction. Now, as many charts as you will see, including whatever you want to see, like if I take you towards the bank nifty today, that how it has performed. So let's see. Okay, so if we go here and we can see that the market is rejected from the bank selling level today and now at the bank buying level, right? Okay, if you are a Nasdaq trader, you will see very good examples, like this was the bank buying level. You can see the boost in the price. If you trade crude oil, still it will be working and you will be amazed. Look, breaks below the dotted green line, it was a sell, price is down. Let's go to Ethereum USD. Okay, so for the those who trade crypto. Okay, so let it load. Okay, so okay, somehow might be the speed problem here. Okay, so let's have a look on Tesla. Okay guys, I think so there is a speed problem in the back end. Okay, so let's wait. S&P 500, NAS, I mean everything that you can trade, this indicator will help you in all ways. Okay, so there is no problem with the indicator. Look at Ethereum. Okay, so this is, you can see the rejection from the dotted red and the bank selling level on the 5 minute. So even you trade Gala, Matic, anything, like if you're a crypto trader, this will be working. Okay, you can see the all time frames are with you. Okay, so NAS 100, let's have a look. Okay, so if you look at NAS 100, okay, so you will know why there is a pump of 4 candles, because the market was at the bank buying level plus the dotted green line. So guys, this is the serious indicator for the traders, because we have good cases where subscribers were able to make thousands of dollars within one day. Yes, definitely no guarantees, because the market moves there in their own ways, but however, this indicator is quite smart to keep you updated that what the market movers are going to take the next move. So this is the oversmart indicator. If you are willing to buy the lifetime version of this indicator, please contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. You can also send your emails on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.